Yep. Well, I've inhaled something. So we're riding some single track in Kentucky with Kent and Randy Block. Trying to get in some riding before we start our Tour of Idaho attempt number 2. Of course, we got Randy back here, TOI finisher, showing us the ropes, telling us what we're doing wrong. What is he, number 64 finisher?
62.
62.
I think that's right.
Out of about 70? 75?
Yeah. I think that's, after last year, which was a banner year.
Beautiful day. 70 degrees and sunny, and it's not muddy.
All right, we're going over the dinosaurs back here.
All right. Don't look down. Take note of that, Jesse Smith. We're obviously not riding our tour bikes. We feel like we've got those pretty well dialed. Not changing a whole lot from 2018. So there's not a lot to test, really. I've had my rear shock redone, make it stiffer. I think that'll make a big difference for me. I think Kent's bike was basically dialed from the last time. Isn't that right, Kent? You're not changing anything?
Nope, nothing. Heated grips.
Nice.
We need to tell Randy you got to get a good run at this. Make sure he knows.
Okay. Yeah, he blew on by me, so he's on his own.
Okay.
Go Randy, go. Go. Oh no, he got right to the top. No, I don't think he's all the way to the top, but he right where it veers to the right a little bit. It's a steep one.
Yeah, but it's as it is up over here. I don't want him to feel like torturing him.
He got into the rut on the left. It kind of killed his momentum a little bit.
Yeah. Want to hit it real hard
breaking up on me.
Get up, Pat. Must be just far enough apart.
Oh, I can hear you now.
Okay. It's coming down.
Yep. Well, the good news is I got it on film. You got into that rut and it killed your momentum. Just treat it like Old Baldy. Yeah. A robber's roost. Oh, that rut. You all right? Yeah, rut kicked him that time.
Yeah, you got to stay over to the far right.
Mm-hmm.
And then when you get up around the corner, go wide left and go way high. And then try to get left.
Okay.
I can't get all the momentum. I can't to the left turn or that right turn at the top.
Okay. He had a good idea. He went to the left of the rut and then was going to cross it, but there was a stick laying in the rut and it rolled underneath his wheel and kicked him out. Say it again. Yeah, not getting you now. No, get it. Kent said stay to the right, and then once you get to where you were, you stop the first time, go wide left. The rut got you both times. If you stay to the right out of it, you should be all right.